Hi, this is Dan from FounderPal, and let's talk about user personas. Your business have an ideal customer and you need to know what's going on in their head and how you can win it, and that's what personas are for. Let me show you how you can get a persona description for your business in under 10 seconds. So first of all, you go to FounderPal and we have this feature user persona. In that tool, you can generate an ideal customer for your business with detailed description about the most important things. Let me show you how it goes. So we have 4 blocks. The first block is problem and pains. This is starting point A of your ideal customer. What's going on in their life, why there is a problem and why people want to solve it. So we understand what is wrong and how does this problem impact their day-to-day lives. Next, we connect this with our business. What is your ideal customer goal? What benefits do they desire? This is basically your value proposition in the future, and it is super connected to the problem and pains in the current situation. But your ideal customer doesn't exist in a vacuum. Obviously, they already have a solution that they use to solve their problem, and they have some context about other products in the market. You need to understand this because this is how you will frame your marketing to stand out from the competition. And finally, to understand how the person got to your business, you need to understand what event pushed your persona to ditch status quo solution, and also what doubts and objections are slowing down your persona from switching to your product, because this is the customer journey you need to master in order to have a high conversion rate. All of this you can get in 10 seconds. It will be very personalized to your business and very actionable, so you can actually go and use it in your marketing. For example, if you're writing email, you can just grab these benefits and include them to make your offer more desirable. If you're creating a landing page, you can go and, for example, have a blog about negative consequences to catch the attention of your audience. Or let's say you are thinking about creating different type of content marketing assets, let's say blog articles. You can create an article about status quo and other solutions to show how your product is better. And this is not everything. You can have an AI avatar of your persona. You can have like overview description, and if your business is mature enough to have multiple personas, you can create up to 3 personas to really understand what's going on. And when you create persona, you can just say, create persona for my business, and AI will decide what's best. But if you have some ideas, for example, the age bracket, or for example, the country or some specific segment, you can mention and make your persona as personalized and as unique as you want. This is FounderPal and user persona feature. I hope you're excited to try it, and I will see you around.